discussed about our DBs. We have a three-phase DBs. In that three-phase DB, you have red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and neutral point. So you're going to feed everything direct to that DB. If you don't want to make use of changeover, you feed them direct. Each of these cutout here is going to have one wire coming out, because you're going to use this to feed this. If you feed 1, 2, 3, then neutrally it will take direct. So if you do it like that, that means red phase will take to the red phase
in DB.
Then in the DB, while the blue phase or the yellow phase will also take their position, while the neutral bus bar has its own position separate, which is what you saw in this our previous illustration here for the DB connection. Is that okay? Yes.
So, no, what I'm asking, if there is light in 3 of the phases,
yes,
if the 3 line has light at the same time, won't it affect the 3 of them that run to the
as
DB?
if they are going to bridge each other?
Yes,
no,
okay.
It's not going to be done like that, because each of these wires, each of these lines have their own separate point they are supplying.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Only thing they have in common
is the neutral.
Without having that relationship of touching each other is the main switch.
Okay.
Is the main switch, which you saw that looks like this. Here you see L1, L2, L3, RYB. From here now, this wire will be the one that will be coming out. These 4 wires you're seeing now. R will come to R, Y will come to Y, then B will come to B, then the neutral link will be the one that will connect this neutral. And that is when the system will run like this. But a situation where you want everything to run still on delta mode. This delta mode, what happens here is that there is no point for neutral. You have only 3 wire system. But in the case of star method, you have what? Established neutral point. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other question? Any other question? You have any question?
So at least that's
okay.
For that method, we have 3 phases. We have the 3 phases. Now, how do you run the neutral? You say you connected to the neutral, you use the neutral link to connect it. Are we going to have 3 neutral coming out?
No.
Only 1 neutral.
It's only 1 neutral. The neutral that serve this building like this is the same thing. They are picking their source from the same place. It's only 1 neutral that can feed to other sections that requires neutral in this building, in this installation. So I'm telling you that these 4 wires you see are from those NEPA poles. There are 3 on top. Those 3 on top, we call them delta connected. There is no neutral there. Okay. But the sub one you see on that low distribution pole, you see it, you have 4 wire system.
Under the 3.
Under it, if you see the pole outside now, see it there. Yes. It is 4 wires. Now that 4 wires, the one at the topmost is known as red phase, followed by the yellow phase, next by what? The blue phase, and the last is neutral. So from there now, it left for you as an individual, as a person that want to use the light. Do you need 3-phase system? Yes or no? If it is yes, you connect the 4 wires. And I told you that it is also possible to convert three-phase system to single-phase system. But it is impossible for you to convert single-phase to three-phase system. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is just about that. And you can do it in several ways. Either you do it in your DB or you do it in your what?
Your fuse cut out.
Cut out fuse, yes.
But sir, the silver, the Delta method is only for industrial
It's
installation.
for industrial.
It's not for
where
domestic.
you need three-phase steady.
Okay.
Because me and you, we can convert that three-phase system to single-phase. Nothing happen. But only thing you'll be going to do is to change the phases.
Your lines.
Or change the line if there is power outage.
Okay.
Because an error will occur where you have only two wires that are having the supply. Other ones will not be there. Maybe something has affected it. So in that occasion, you should just go there and
Change
do
your phase.
phase selectors. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Any other?
So in that Delta method now, we have,
It's for industrial.
yes, for industry now, you know that they need lights constantly.
Yeah.
And then from your DB, you separated, the supplies are different. It may be different supply for different machines.
This one, where it is stopped, is to give supply to what transformer.
Okay.
Input of transformer has this RYD.
Okay.
Once the transformer receives it as input, then the output is always 4 wires. And that is what the equipment make use of. Even if it is 3 line like that, you are not going to make use of that big one direct, except in a production center, where you have big machine that can be rated how many thousand kilowatts. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Because when I traveled for a course in Makurdi, we went to one company. They are producing these chairs, plastic chairs, nylon, and others. The kind of motor ratings we saw there, if they, in short, even that a big generator cannot power them. To tell you, majority of them can only be powered by 33 kV line, very high voltage. That is to tell you, because of its capacity. So, in the absence of any other questions, I think we can draw the curtain here to continue in our next class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.